Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Camp Booster with Dia Shehzadi. The exciting and the new topic are the chapter that we are starting from today is the structures of the atom. And we know what are the structures. How can we imagine that the atoms are the more atoms are joined each other to make the molecules? How they join? By the different chemical bondings or not losing their electrons that are present in a valence shell, are there any activity that they are performing to make the bonds between each other. So towards the chemical bonding. What is the chemical bonding? A chemical bonding is a type of the bonding or the sharing that is made in a different atoms to make the molecules to join able. The chemical bond is defined as the attraction or the force of attraction between the atoms that hold them together in a substance. When we look about to anything that is made from the atoms or substances, we can consider that how it is formed by the atoms and how the atoms are joined to the each other to make the big molecule. So how the atoms are joining, this is called the chemical bonding, and how the chemical bonding is important in the life or the stability of a substance, that are uniformity. Types of the chemical bonding. How the types of the chemical bonding depends upon the sharing or losing of the electrons towards the valence shell and the nucleus or the other atoms that are joining with each other. Different type of the chemicals bonding are here, that are the ionic bond, covalent bond, dative covalent bond, or the coordinate covalent bond, and the last one is the metallic bond. So moves towards the first type, that is the ionic bond. Ionic bond. Oh, when we see the structure of NaCl, that is a salt, we can imagine that how the NaCl is formed by the joining of the sodium atoms and the chlorine atoms, and we think that here is some force. What is the force? Here is the ionic bonding force, that is formed by the sharing or the total transfer of one atom from one atom to another atom, that makes the ionic bond between them. Type of the bonding which is formed by the completely transfer of the electron from one atom to another is called the ionic bonding. How the NaCl structure is formed, that the chemical bonding is the main purpose of the chemical bonding is that we consider the octet rule, that is the completion of the 8 electron in the valence shell of any substance or the any atom. So the sodium atom has the 1 electron that is accessible from that sodium atom, and the chlorine has a vacancy of the 1 electron. So there will be the transfer of the 1 electron from the sodium to the chlorine, that will make the salt of the sodium NaCl. So gives up to the thumb ups to my channel and follow me, like me, share my videos to your friends. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.